So this box is pretty heavy. It has a lot of things, but let me stop talking about it and let's get to opening this box. Let's go. So we are opening the box. I think this is for the monitors, memory cards, headphone jack. Then on the back side, flip this puppy over. You have more. Another port on here has a 2.5 gigabyte Ethernet port. So the design, there's vents under here, so it's some type of cooling, so it won't burn up. Because this thing is pushing some pretty. If you like what you see in the video, please give me a comment, like, and subscribe at the bottom. Thanks for watching.